Hello guys, welcome to Saurushivlog. So today we will review this product. We got an amazing two product. I have already uploaded a one video before this. The brand is the Wellness Shop. So we got a two lip balm with a different texture and the color and the fragrance. So before starting the video, let me show you the packaging. So you can just see the packaging is very nice. They have packed. It's directly just came from that website, and we have ordered it. And now so here we are the two lips balm, and you can see the first one is a raspberry and the rosehip and almond. So both are very nice. And see, it's we have to do unpackaging, and it was very cute, very cute lip balm. So today we will review this product, so rosehip and almonds. So I have already reviewed the first my video. You can just check it out for that lip balm. And this one, the roseberry and the beetroot. So I've already done this the video. You can just watch it out. And this today I will review it on this video, the rosehip and almond. So I really love this one also. The fragrance and that smell was very nice. I really love it personally. So as we know, the packaging, see the purple, the first one is a pink and it's a nude color. When you just apply it in your lips, it's very light weighted and it's a thick also. And after the applying that, you will feel very light and very moisturized, and it remains same till at least for the 12 hour. For me it's remain same. So our packaging is very nice and cute, a purple color. And let's open it. Here, so this is here the Wellness Shop, and for the chapped and pigmented lip, and it have the net weight is a 5 gram. And see, we have to just go it, and you can see the yellowish, it's a transparent lip balm. And I really love this because the almond, like it's contain a vitamin E, and it's very helpful for us and for the skin also. And one question is, of course it just came in your mind also, why does it work, like what it does, why we have to use this? Because of the ingredient. I just love it. The ingredients are totally chemical free, so you can just use it and just apply it freely without any fearing of that reaction. So you can see this yellow shining color and texture it can do is a good for your lips. It contains almond oil, which is widely known to heal a sun damage, and vitamin E, which even out the texture and roughness. So you can see I'm applying. I'm just taking a fingertip and just I'm applying, and here it just a transparent, and you feel a very moisturized. And it also has a castor oil, the smell which you heal it. The smell just came with castor oil also, and the almond, somewhere the rose heap the smells also, and smell was really very nice. And it's very excellent nourish for your lips, and not only healing the nourishment but also protect your lip from any further damages. So it's very easy to use. I just take a smell about the lips, a small amount of the lips balm in your fingertip, and apply to your bottom lip first, starting at the center of the lips, and work together for the corners. Okay, so and you can also use the same lip balm before applying the lipstick also, for the flowness of your lipstick color. And as we know, the almond oil is a infamously known, it's a healing benefit. It has a healing benefit and nourishing, that protecting the lips. And the rosehip also, it's ultimately that natural bleaching, the property of that rose oil, that lightening your lips also. And just it's help you just came out from the dark pigmentation. And the color is very nice. And the main thing why I like this personally, because it's a natural and also organic. It's there is no chemical, there is no sulfate, paraben, no GMO. That's really very nice, and made up of the finest So guys, just use this product and share your reaction your in my comment box. I hope you like my video. So just apply it and you can just buy it in Amazon also, and also their website. Thank you so much. Bye guys for watching. Bye bye.